This video focuses on editing VR180 content from Canon cameras in Premiere Pro. It is a VR video, so you can look around at the footage in the background, but the main UI content should be visible in the browser viewer. This video was shot on the Canon R7 with dual 3.9mm fisheye lens. Those recordings can be edited directly in Premiere with Canon's VR plugin using all of Premiere's immersive editing tools. The footage recorded on the camera is reversed left and right, which confused me at first, until it was pointed out to me that all images are flipped by lenses when they are recorded on an image sensor, and the camera always flips them back before viewing. But because each side of the stereo image is flipped independently in its own lens before being projected onto the single sensor, when the camera flips them back, the left and right images end up reversed. Canon software corrects for that, as well as reformats the image from fisheye to equirectangular format in real time. This results in a 2:1 aspect ratio frame containing a stereoscopic pair of VR images. This can be edited in Premiere Pro to adjust the angle of the footage in the VR sphere, or to add an avatar, or whatever else you want to do in your VR video. Shooting higher frame rates is usually recommended for VR video, so that would be 60 frames per second with the R7. Here you can see that compared to 24 frames per second. Exporting to YouTube currently requires matting to 360-degree video before exporting to your preferred VR format. For more detailed info, check out techwithmikefirst.com.